Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you guys how I keep track of my finances when it comes to buying product for my business and, you know, appointments and all that other stuff. It's a brand new year, so I'm starting everything brand new. So I got this from Hobby Lobby. It was actually 69 cents. It was on clearance. It says reach for it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a tab in here. One of them will be for lashes. One half of the book will be for lashes. The other half will be for nail supply stuff. And what I'm going to do is I'm about to sit here. I'm going to go through my bank account because I have some receipts. I don't have them all. So I'm just going to look through my bank accounts and see how much I've spent, where, write those down, and then we're going to start filling out our book. So give me one moment. I will be right back. Okay, y'all. So I have calculated, well, come up with my January items because it is January. So, well, I'll be damned. So it's time to start writing in our beautiful journal here. And what I have here is my beautiful pen and marker collection. Let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna put nails in the front. So this will be nails. I'm gonna write beautifully right here. Don't mind my nails. I know I'm a nail taker. My shit looking real raggedy, but don't judge. So, and I think what I want to do is I want to do it by the month. So this right here, and I want to make it real cute right here. So I'm not gonna write nothing just yet. So this is for nails, and I have these tabs that I'm going to use to separate my lashes. So I'm gonna just go towards the middle because I ain't gonna count all these doggone sheets, and I'm going to just put a dot here. Yeah. So that way, when I go through it and I flip through it, I am able to find, did I skip it? I think I keep skipping it. Well, oh, there we go. Okay, maybe I need to put another dot too. Y'all, this is me always trying shit. That probably would have been smart to start off with. So I know. And I put it in silver. I don't know why I ain't just do a color. You can't even see that, boy. I tell you, I just be doing shit. Anyways, so nails. I'm not gonna write on the first page, and that's because I want to decorate it. So we're gonna move to the second page. And basically, let me move y'all down. There we go. So basically what I'm going to do is at the top I'm going to write, so this page will be January expenses, and then at the back will be January's income. Yes, okay. Don't know how to spell January completely out, don't judge me. So I'm just gonna put Jan, J, expenses for 2021, and then back we're gonna put January income. Now, I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I'm still a beginner at everything, so my expenses for now, will be higher than my income, but I'm perfectly fine with that because I have normal clients and I also practice, so I always need to re-up on my products and stuff. So yeah, and I actually want to write everything in a pencil just in case I mess up. So for expenses, I just ordered, I'm gonna put them in order. So on 0114 I ordered from Michael's, and this is nails. I ordered a, you probably can't see it, but it's a box back there that has another organization kit. So I'm gonna put 0114 Michael's, and the amount was $40. I just rounded it up, you guys. So that was that. On 0115 I ordered from Amazon. And I spent $14.06. And then on girl, what day was this? Oh shit, 0111. I'll just put this right here. Oh, on 0111 at Maxim, I spent $94.17. Okay, and then on today, 0122 on Amazon, I spent $28.08. So this is what I've spent so far in January on nail items. So at the back, let's write in our income. On, I have it written right here. So on, that's the lashes, 2 people lashes and the rest nails. So 0103. So now let's move into lashes. Let me give me 2 more different colors. So we have January expenses. Now the income versus expenses on for January for lashes is gonna be a mess, and that's because I bought me some brand new tweezers. I had to re-up on glue, etc, etc. So yeah, so for lashes I spent $109.33 on 0106. And for my income on 0109 Chanel, I made $80 so far and I spent $109. That's like what, a $29.33 difference, and this is as of January 21st. So this is how I'm keeping track of all of my expenses for now on. All right, you guys, so that is how I will be keeping track of my expenses versus my outcomes for the year 2020. We just updated and started it for January, and then I just want you guys to go on this journey with me to see the difference that is happening between now to the end of the year, and you know, the process, the progress, all that other good jazz. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely hit that thumbs up button. Also hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.